Hello guys, welcome to another video. So for all the JavaScript fans out there, I just discovered a gem for you. So today we're going to be looking at best of GS. And so this is basically just a directory containing all possible JavaScript frameworks or all possible JavaScript projects which are out there and which are creating at least some waves. So this is an amazing platform and I really enjoyed it and spent a lot of time on it. So I want to present it to you. So you want to head straight away to bestofgs.org, where you're going to see a huge directory of all JavaScript projects ranging from React to Vue to component libraries to testing, charting, Node.js frameworks, Svelte, UI framework, Tailwind CSS, React Native, and many more things. So this is an amazing platform. I find it a little like product hunts, right, where you see projects listed, but this one is only focused on JavaScript projects. So right here, you're going to see the hot projects, which are listed by the number of stars they had on their GitHub repositories. And you're going to see as well recently added projects. You're going to see rankings from December. And really, there are a lot of tags you can maybe get by tags, you can get by monthly reviews, and so on and so forth. So this is an amazing project. I really find it where you can find all of the JavaScript frameworks. So as you can see here, we have some amazing projects which are ongoing in JavaScript world, Stagehand, an AI web browsing framework focused on simplicity and extensibility. That's the number of stars it receives. Fair code workflow automation platform with native AI capabilities. I mean, AI is really taking over the world right now. So, and so on and so forth. So there are really so many things, but I just like this platform and I thought it wise to share it with the JavaScript community. So you want to definitely check it out. Let's just explore some of the platform and see what we can find on here. So as you can see already, all of the projects, you have over 2,164 projects, and you can see some of the tags you can filter through. You equally have a drop down here where you can filter by stars added in the 7 days, stars added in the last 30 days, stars added in the last 12 months, by the date of the latest commit, and so on and so forth. So this platform was really built well, and they really wanted to create this directory where people can find all of this information. So I'm guessing it is querying the GitHub website to get all of this data. So it's kind of interesting. So as you can see, the most popular project is Free Code Camp with over 409,000 stars. It was created, I think it was pushed, the latest commit was pushed 2 days ago, and it was created over 10 years ago. Wow. So it's really interesting. After that, you have React, Vue, I mean the usual suspects you can expect, and many others as well. So it's really, really amazing. It's really, really interesting. So I think it's already filtered by number of stars. This is the highest number of stars there, and so on and so forth. So you can come here, you can explore all the amazing projects being built with JavaScript. JavaScript has really come a long way over the years, and it has become really the father of some mastodons out there in the programming language. So you can see TypeScript, you can see Angular, you can see Design, and so on and so forth. I mean, we can just continue exploring this. They're just so amazing JavaScript projects here. I never really get tired of going through this because they're so amazing. You have links directly to go to their GitHub pages and explore them. So as you can see, you see Superbase, you can see Font Awesome. I mean, just so many things have been developed by JavaScript, It's quite amazing. You have Nest, Reveal, Chat.js. I mean, just so many things. I mean, what hasn't been developed by with JavaScript at this point? No, jQuery, obviously, is a JavaScript library, and so on and so forth. So you can just come and explore it. I mean, you might meet some things you didn't expect here. Ionic was developed with JavaScript, mine, material design icons, animate.js, and so on and so forth. So at one point, I was doing a review of all this framework. It would have really helped for me to have such a website. And maybe I'm going to make some videos in the future exploring some of these amazing JavaScript libraries and what they are capable of doing. So this is quite amazing. Yeah. So there's just so much, to explore here. I won't really go into the details with all of this, but you can go here for yourself and check it out. In the future, I'll work on some videos exploring some of these amazing projects. So there you have it, guys. This is a gem. You want to bookmark this website and always explore it to see what people are doing with JavaScript out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.